Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to talk about parametric insurance. Before looking at what do you mean by parametric insurance, let's look at how the traditional insurance works. Typically what happens, the insurance company issues a policy and if there is a loss, the customer files a claim and adjusters from the insurance company looks at the claim to validate if the claim is legitimate or not, and at the same time they also determine the claim payment amount. In this scenario, the customers will not be knowing how much the actual payment that they will be receiving because it's up to the adjusters to review the policy, exclusions, etc., and then determine how much will be the payment. Sometimes it could be a long, tedious process because the adjusters have to do a lot of verifications like working with vendors, service providers, witnesses, etc. So, to overcome this kind of drawbacks with traditional insurance, they have kind of this product called parametric insurance. Parametric insurance is nothing but the insurance company determines a specific event while they issue the policy. Like if they issue a policy for a homeowners, they can say if the specific incident happened where your home is damaged by a wind that reaches 100 km per hour, then we will pay you $10,000, as you see in this example, right? That is what we say as predetermined event. In this case, the predetermined event is wind, and that event is very specific here, right? The wind that reaches 100 km per hour, and the predetermined payout here is $10,000. The third part is very critical part in parametric insurance. The insurance company should be able to find the specific data. In this case, the insurance company should be able to work with third-party vendors who can accurately predict the wind speed. Only if that can be doable, we can issue a parametric insurance. If the data is not going to be accurate, we are going to have some issues. So the short definition of parametric insurance is we are going to make a predetermined payout based on a predetermined event, provided we have the required data. If you see these examples, right? First example, we are ready to make a payment of 100K if the earthquake with magnitude of 5.0 or greater occurs in a specific area. Similarly, an insurance company can pay $5,000 if the flight that is scheduled to departure on 11/6 at 5 p.m. is delayed by 5 hours. So it's a predetermined event and there is a predetermined payout. Now, a lot of people have a misconception, right? Parametric insurance is a replacement for traditional insurance. That is a false assumption. If you see this parametric insurance, right, there are some drawbacks here, right? You determined $10,000 for homeowner, whereas the actual loss could have been 25,000, right? So parametric insurance will not give 100% of the coverage. It is a kind of complement or a kind of option that you can use to get immediate payment for immediate relief. Say if you have a earthquake, in traditional insurance it could take time for the adjusters to review and make a final payment. Until you get that payment, you can have some coverage for with parametric insurance that can give you immediate relief. Most of the times in traditional insurance, if they exclude some coverages, for example, fences or anything else that they exclude, the customers go and get this parametric insurance to get limited coverage. So just keep that in mind. Parametric insurance is not a replacement for traditional insurance. It's an additional feature that helps you to have immediate relief, and it's not even for total loss, it's only for the partial loss. This is what I would like to cover today. Basically, parametric insurance is very important. As I told you, the data is critical. If you are able to get the actual data. Nowadays, what happens? We have a lot of technologies, right? Like IoT devices, artificial intelligence, big data, right? All those blockchain. So this kind of technologies helps us to have accurate data. As a result, we can make the payment immediately. When I say immediately, sometimes if that event occurred, if the insurance company is going to be able to confirm that event, they can make payment in minutes or seconds or hours, right? Because the event have occurred and the payment is a predetermined payment. So when they receive that, customers can immediately come out of their situation and help them until they get the final payment from traditional insurance. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.